There is nothing as a chilled glass of lemon juice to escape the scorching heat of summers. Lemon gives flavor to baked food, sauces, salad dressings, marinades, drinks, and dessert. There are excellent sources of vitamin C and flavonoids which are antioxidant and help remove free radicals that can damage cells from the body. This nutrient can help prevent diseases and boost health and well-being. It is very important to store lemon the right way to keep them fresh as they are acidic in nature. Lemon Lemons have a short shelf life because they lose their moisture and grow unwanted black spots. Also, the small pores in the lemon's outer layer allow the moisture to escape and make it dry and flavorless. There are 6 indigenous lemon hacks we should know. Cleaning your cutting boards with lemon, get rid of pungent odor, kitchen sink cleaner, clean your microwave and help tenderize the meat. Here are the few tips to store lemon the right way to keep them fresh for a longer period of time. Before storing the lemon, it should get cleaned by running water. The lemon should soak in a water for an hour and then remove it from the water and then wipe it out in a good and clean cotton cloth. Only then we have to go for storage method. First we have to plan how long we have to store and then we have follow the right method which help us to store longer period. Lemon stored in a room temperature can last only a week. The lemon are best kept in the fridge stashed in a fridge on a shelf. Fresh lemon remain fresh for a week or more. If you really want your lemon to last, put them in a sealed container or a zip top bag. This will prevent lemon from drying out and keep them fresh for almost a month. Always prefer sealing the lemon in a Ziploc bag, squeezing out as much as air you can. There are many types of Ziploc bags are available in the market. Kindly choose which is used to store the food. Another simple method to keep lemon fresh is to store them in a glass jar full of water. Add all the lemon in a jar, put water and place them in a refrigerator and the lemon juice can be kept in the fridge for a few days. Long storage method. This is more significant. Lemon juices can be frozen in a ice cube tray and then removed when it frozen and stored in a sealed container or Ziploc bags and place it in a cooler. This probably we can even store it for 6 to 1 year. If you want to store lemon wedges and slices, store them in a sealed containers and use within a week. Lemons are sensitive to ethylene, which is known as the ripening hormone that causes fruits to spoil. Apples, banana, melons, pears and peaches are ethylene producer. Tomatoes are moderate ethylene producer. Broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower etc. are ethylene sensitive. So by the rule of the thumb, it's preferably to avoid storing ethylene producing fruits with ethylene absorbing one. Make sure the lemon you pick while buying should be thin skinned as they are juicier than the one with hard skin. If you are not buying lemons for immediate use, prefer buying green one that take time to ripen. If you have juiced the lemon and wish to store it, make sure you don't keep it at room temperature. Despite the acidity content, lemon juice has a tendency to promote bacterial growth. if kept at the room temperature. Avoid storing the juice in the glass bottle as light will break down the juice more quickly. Rather, store it in a plastic container or glass container that is not transparent. It can last for about 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator.